Hey YouTube, it's your girl Davina Love back with another video. Welcome back, welcome back. How are you doing, my busy bees? Staying busy, I hope. Keeping it sexy, child. We try to always, even after dental surgery. So we are going to do a little unboxing of these Finder Keepers LOL dolls and Paw Patrols with no other than the Bug. Oh yeah, so let's just jump on into this. How are you doing, my busy bees? Staying busy, I hope. I have been keeping it very busy. It has been tiresome, but I'm healing, and I thank you all very much. Tear into it, please. For all your patience and your prayers on Instagram, kind words. I can't wait to start catfishing in a couple months when I get my new teeth. It's going to be awesome. I hope they don't hurt as bad as the last few pairs. You know, this is something that I've had to live with, and I can understand if a lot of people don't understand, but pyorrhea of the gums is an inevitable disease. You don't catch it. You know, it happens. You're born with it or you're not. But anyways, let's get to these beautiful, fun little things.
This is how many there are.
Okay, well, first off, first box, Paw Patrol. And I got in the box a little sneak peek. Not too much. I don't know what's in there. So in this one, we got the girl Paw Patrol puppy.
No, it's this one.
And he's opening up an LOL doll. I believe the chocolate is hollow, but let's just find out. If it's hollow, then we'll know we don't have to open them all.
Or maybe there's a toy.
Oh, thank goodness they don't put the toys inside of the chocolate. We have a bowl off to the side here. Alright, so with this one.
And this is the girl.
With the LOL doll.
You see? Now,
and then he's got this girl. Maybe we need to mark him off with a pen.
Yeah. So we can know how many we collect.
So we've got this one, and we got the girl. We're doing an unboxing of these finger finder little toys. We got a bowl. We're going to fill them up with the eggs. No egg left behind. Alright, this one I got an LOL doll. And let's see what's in here. We've got, oh, it's another little sister. Okay. Is that right? Light purple hair.
We got a boy.
We got the main character, Chase.
Yeah. Next.
Are we keeping the plastic?
There's the other one. Look right here. Is
A lot of waste. A lot of excess. But maybe it's safer to keep it out of the chocolate.
And boom, another boy.
Well, at least we have no duplicates so far. Now we've got the guy in the gold.
The only character what we just need is this guy.
Alright, we got our first duplicate of the LOL doll. Are you guys seeing this? I'm not even doing that right, am I? There's the LOL dolls. We got our first duplicate.
And this one is crushed inside. Yeah.
Yeah, throw that out. Oops. These things are a beast to open up. Oh, cute. So cute. She's got dual hair. Love it. Love it. Love it.
This one is hard.
Alright, I'll give it a... It's a duplicate. Look, you don't even have to open it. It's a duplicate of this guy.
And 2 left. Who will we get?
2 of each left, right?
Who will we get? This one or this one or this one or this one? Which one will we get? You guessed. And
We got the blue one.
and two.
Ow.
Now, last one. Which one is it? Go.
Got the blue guy.
Guess first. No. Actually, I knew you can actually open stuff like just squeezing it down.
The last one is the green guy. Oh,
And the only guys who are
the
missing
duplicate.
is 1, 2.
Yeah, we're missing the main guy, the leader, and the red for that
Who's
one.
actually the double leader.
Okay, so far, last LOL doll.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we do have 4 more LOL dolls. I don't know if they'll be the same generation. No, finish unboxing that one, please. Still 4 more
We
LOL.
get a pink color.
It's a different, same series.
And we get the same one.
It's a duplicate?
Yeah. So, now...
Alright, last 4.
Now we have baby. Now we have twins.
Come on, open these last 4. Yeah, triplets when it's 3. Twins when it's 2. Yeah. That's
5 is rare, so I don't know what you call that.
yeah, but then you got 6 tuplets.
Wait, what's the...
Pop them.
Wait, the instructions.
What instructions?
What it is...
They're the same.
What?
They're just different girls in there. Hopefully. Pop it.
No, it's...
Oh, you gotta show them they got a duplicate. I didn't get a duplicate. I got the black and white haired. Little hot toddy with... So that's a duplicate of the yellow and purple haired one. Pop it.
Look, it's not a duplicate. Look
I got a
at
duplicate.
Here, and you can see it's not a duplicate. Because you see the color of the hair, it's not.
Oh, so to see it very well on the back, we got the girl, we got the, right? No, we did not get this guy. We got this one, the orange, and the green. So where are they at? We got,
Now,
I don't know all their names. I wish I did.
If we got more
So that is all of the Paw Patrols. Almost a full set. That is awesome. Also, I found these in the big tube at my local, I can't remember what that store is called. All of a sudden, it's, dang it. Smart and Final. That's it. Smart and Final. And these were only $5 a tube to get the whole 8 count.
When we get more, we will get...
We'll do a follow-up video.
Of the rest of the ones, we will do that.
If you don't lose them all before then. Alright,
And
and
here
here's
we go.
the pink one.
And now, how many we're missing left
Let's see here.
is...
We got the black and
So, we have
white
1,
haired,
2, 3, 4.
the pink haired,
We have 4 left to get, and from
this
Outpost,
one.
we
Hold on, I'm not even
have
showing you guys.
1,
They are so
2
freaking cute.
to get.
And I must say, if nobody's noticing, because I know I'm noticing,
Now,
that all
if
these babies are got some
we
melanin to them. Y'all see that? Like, for real, though? I didn't know these dolls came like that.
wait,
So we got all
let's try
these
if this inventory is
and a few
good.
duplicates. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, don't mess with it if you're not going to eat it because you don't like chocolate. So that one's trash now that you touched it like that. Alright, thank you, you guys, so much for spending time with us. I really appreciate it. You know I do. And don't forget to be good to each other because I see you, sis. I see you. And, yeah, don't be an asshole.
Wait.
And I will see you all in the next one.
It should
Bye. Say bye, boys.
be. Bye.
Bye.